Back in the 2000s, during the time when phone companies were busy making boring cell phones, Motorola tried to redefine a cell phone and made it a fashion and style piece along with its cutting-edge technology. Being the slimmest phone during its release in 2004, the Razr easily stood out amongst the other phone models. It was one of the most popular mobile phones, having been spotted in the hands of celebrities and business people alike until the era of smartphone began, and it was frequently seen in movies and TV shows. It was the best-selling clamshell phone in the world to date. The company that pioneered flip phones in early 2000s is still in the memory of many oldies. Since then, we haven't seen any premium phones from Motorola until now. Now it's 2020, Motorola is launching its all-new Motorola Razr in India as an exclusive foldable phone and to bring back the old nostalgic factor. I've been using this phone past couple of months now, and here's my take on it. Given the hefty price tag, this phone is not for everyone. Then whom is it for? Let's see. The materials used in the Razr are appropriately expensive, strong and durable, with a scratch-resistant outer screen with Gorilla Glass and stainless steel body on front. It feels ultra-premium in your palms. Also, the flexible display and the Motorola patented exclusive folding mechanism, all of this accounts for some of its exorbitant price. Speaking about its display, as old Razr, this too has got two screens, one on the outside and other inside. On the inside, it's got 6.2-inch foldable POLED display with 2142 by 876 pixels. It's stack sharp, high quality screen, and on the outside, it houses 2.7-inch OLED display for app continuity features like calls, music controls, quick notification, tap payments, and selfies. Company is also working on displaying a navigation UI on this, and you'll be able to soon get it on your Razr. The flexible display is brighter and you find no issue when using it under the direct sunlight. The size and the resolution is wonderful in landscape mode when typing and watching the movies. The phone has two cameras, one on the front and on the rear, and the speciality of it is you can use the main camera as a selfie camera too. The main camera has a 16 megapixel sensor with the widest 1.7 aperture, and it captures decent photos and good shots even at night. And in the front, it's got a 5 megapixel camera with a wide aperture of f2.0. The selfie lovers would love this, as they can use rear camera for the selfies. The camera also features some interesting AI features as well as some manual controls. It's got a Qualcomm chipset that's up to the snuff. Decent Snapdragon 710 processor, which is sufficient for most of our daily stuffs like calls, chats, video conferencing, social media, gaming, etc. Thanks to Adreno 616 GPU, the visual looks lively and renders advanced 3D graphics efficiently. This phone never lets you down in terms of performance. This phone houses two batteries, one in each half. In a total, it has a battery capacity of 2510 mAh. This lasts a day without an issue, and charges quickly with a turbocharger in the box. This charges the phone to 100% in less than 40 minutes. Motorola should have increased the battery capacity by a little more, but here's a trade-off you're making with the slimmest phone in the market. As mentioned earlier, the outer body is made of stainless steel and Gorilla Glass in front. When it's dropped from a pocket height, here's how it behaved. Surprisingly, there was not much of a damage other than a hairline crack near the camera. To protect your Razr from any accidental damages other than the water, Motorola have exclusively designed hard leather case. Available in black and brown colors, I would highly recommend to use it to protect this expensive piece of technology. The phone comes with Android 9. Yeah, I know it's pretty old, but Android 10 update should be coming soon. As other Motorola phones, this phone has a stock Android feel without any unwanted apps. Last but not the least, exclusive moto experiences like when you make chop action, it turns on the torch. When you twist your phone, it opens up the camera. 3-finger touch on your display takes a screenshot for you, and many more. Well, here's the bonus for buying the phone. You can call it as a retro theme, but I love it. You get the same feel from the old Razr. It doesn't do much action though, other than just dialing the numbers, but it's nice to have it. This phone has an ultra-compact design and flexible display that impossibly folds completely in half. I feel it's not a phone for everyone. It's for high net worth individuals, those who value exclusivity and prefer standout above everything else. It's like having a luxury car, luxury watch, luxury handbag, and a luxury phone in a pocket. Simple. If you're buying this phone as a fashion statement to change the status quo and use it for regular calls, chats, social media, decent office work, it's totally worth it. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments below.